Thinking of buying a home in the USA, but you're not a US citizen or resident? You're not alone? Thousands of international buyers purchase property in America every year. Whether it's for investment, vacation, or future relocation, yes, you can buy real estate in the United States even as a non-resident. But here's the deal. Just because it's legal doesn't mean it's easy. There are important rules, steps, taxes, and pitfalls to know before you invest. Stay tuned. This video walks you through the entire process, step by step, with expert tips to save time, money, and stress. Section 1. Can foreigners buy property in the USA? Let's start with the good news. You don't need a green card, visa, or US residency to buy real estate in America. Anyone from anywhere in the world can legally own property in the US. But here's the catch. The process can get complex, especially with financing, taxes, and legal requirements. Let's break it down. Section 2. All cash versus mortgage options. Option 1. All cash purchase. Most foreign buyers prefer this route. It's faster, easier, and skips the US lending restrictions. Perfect for vacation homes or rental investments. Option 2. Get a mortgage. Yes, it's possible, but expect strict terms. 30 to 50% down payment. A US bank account, credit references, or US credit history. A valid passport or visa. Pro tip. Some specialty lenders cater to international buyers, but rates may be higher. Section 3. Step-by-step buying process. Here's your full roadmap to buying a US property as a foreigner. 1. Define your goal. Vacation home, rental investment, future move. To choose your location wisely. Top cities include Miami and Orlando, Florida, Los Angeles and San Diego, California, Dallas and Houston, Texas, New York City, Phoenix, and Scottsdale, Arizona. 3. Hire a real estate agent. Pick someone experienced with international clients. They'll be your guide. For make an offer and pay deposit, expect 1 to 3% of the purchase price as earnest money. 5. Due diligence. Get inspections, title searches, and legal checks, most of which can be done remotely. 6. Closing. Sign documents, transfer funds, and boom, you're a US property owner. Many closings happen via online notary or power of attorney. Section 4. Setting up a US bank account to finance or even just close a deal. You'll likely need a US bank account. Bring your passport, proof of home country address, possibly an ITN or US mailing address. Set this up early. It helps with payments, escrow, and utility setup. Section 5. Taxes for foreign buyers. Yes, you'll still need to pay us taxes. Here's what to expect. Property taxes, minus 1 to 3% per year. Rental income tax. If you rent it, let's file a US tax return, FERPTA withholding. It's up to 15% of the sale price when you sell unless exempt. Pro tip. Hire a CPA or a tax advisor familiar with foreign property laws. Section 6. Should you buy as an LLC or individual? Some buyers prefer to use a US LLC or corporation to protect privacy, simplify inheritance, limit liability, but it also comes with extra tax filings and setup steps. Talk to a real estate attorney before deciding. Section 7. Pros and cons of buying in the US as a foreigner. Pros. US real estate is a stable, dollar-based asset, high rental income potential, no citizenship restrictions. Cons. More paperwork and regulations, tougher. Financing, ongoing property management from overseas, tax complexity. Do your homework and build a professional team before you invest. Final tip, final thought. Yes, non-residents can buy property in the US, but to do it right, you need smart planning, trusted experts, and financial clarity. Like this video if it helped. Comment below. Which US city are you thinking about investing in? Don't forget to subscribe. More international real estate tips are coming your way.